I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live up.
Hello gorillas, I'm your boy Chef Perry, the Vegan Gorilla. And we're on a continuation of the tempeh rice with cashew and extending our meals into completely different meals, leftovers. So in the previous video, you've seen the one with the peppers, stuffed peppers from the previous video of the base of the rice and tempeh and stuff. So I have some more of that tempeh and rice left over. So I'm going to make another dish. So today we're going to make a nice little lunch. We're going to make a nice little wrap and change up the ingredients a little bit, add some stuff, and we'll get going. All right, let's get our stove started. Put a little bit of olive oil in there. Now you're cooking with olive oil. Pop. All right, so we got our tempeh. Now I'm just going to make one wrap, so only put in what you need. You know, if you're gonna make a few or for family or whatever, obviously you gotta account for that. So probably about 4 tablespoons. And that in there. I'm gonna take my cooked lentils, which I still have left over. So good fiber, good protein, all that lovely stuff. Put 2 tablespoons of that in. And that's going to be the original base of what we have. So we'll get that going. We're also going to take some of our sauce. Again, use marinara sauce, use salsa sauce, whatever tomato sauce base you like. I like to use a pepper and eggplant one, just grab the jar here. Sometimes I make it, sometimes I'm lazy and I buy it at the store. So again, I just put about helping tablespoons of that in there. And then we get cooking. Okay. Get that going. I don't even know why I have a bowl here. I don't really need it. I'll use it as my dirty bowl. So we're getting that all cooked up. So basically, I mean, everything's pre-cooked anyway, so I'm just gonna get it heated up for the top part of the burrito. So I want to have a nice little warm sandwich. Now what you can do, I don't typically toast mine after, but you can. I know a lot of places you go to, they toast it after and stuff like that, pita bits and things. I actually do have a toaster for that press, but so if you want to do that and add a little bit of extra crunch on your tortilla, that's awesome, do that. And while that's cooking, we'll get the tortilla started, we'll get the fixings going, and it's good to go. All right, be right back. All right, I'm back. Let's get tortillas. This is the bad boy. This is the large. I'll get the 10-inch, I think. Let's see. Looks about that. This one has spinach in it, so it's great. Now you can put in a little bit of hummus on the bottom as a base, an extra sauce, whatever you like on there. You can put some cheese on it, vegan cheese that they have. You can do that, or you can just do it like I'm doing it and sort of plain Jane it. So we get this cooked up almost. Get this all nice and heated up, warmed up. We're going to put that just right basically in the middle of our tortilla. I leave about maybe inch and a half on each end, so I can fold it. Then what we got here is a little bit of sea salt. Pinch. Fresh black cracked pepper. And I got myself some onions I diced up. Onions. Lots of onions. Some tomatoes. Again, cubed and diced up. Pickles. Obviously, put your own ingredients in if you don't like pickles or not pickles. I got some cucumber, just sort of elongated chops. Not too big, not too long. Just right. All right, a little more for good measure. Then I got some. I'm using spinach. You can use any kind of lettuce, obviously, you want to put in there. Let's greens. Okay, hope I can get this thing folded. And a little love. Whatever you love. Thank you. All right, let's roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Okay, so there's a couple ways you can roll it. What I usually do is I take my two ends, so that way I know it's in the middle. And I bring the top over, press down. Okay, make sure everything's sort of tucked in there, and then I squeeze it back. This is just how I do it in the pita wrap places and different places like that with your wrap. So make sure everything gets tucked in there. Squeeze it into the roll. Bend the corners over. On both sides. Keep that tucked in. Roll it again. Keep bending. Keep tucking. And then that's it. You have your wrap. So let me get this chopped up, plated, come back, give it a rating, 1 to 5 gorillas, and see what we do with our leftovers, all right? See you in a minute. Okay, gorillas, we're back. She's plated and wrapped. Gave it a little height to it and put one on top together, a couple olives, stuffed olives with almonds, a little simple salad on the side, sprinkle the extra with a little bit of parsley for presentation, and yeah, what do you think? Here we are. Not bad, not bad. Now, presentation looks, I think, okay. Yeah, pretty good. So let's give it a taste. See how those leftovers turned over. All right. Cheers. Okay, wow. It's weird. This tastes nothing like the original tempeh rice I made because we altered everything. We used the main part of the base, simple ingredients, rice, tempeh, and this is our third meal I got out of it. And that's basically out of like 3 cups of rice originally, and a pack of tempeh. So I got 3 complete meals out of it. You can taste the onion, the pickle, the cucumber, the sauce is nice in there. You can also taste a little bit of lentils, not overbearing. The rice, tempeh. A little bit of spinach, make sure in here and eat. Things like that make it a smile. But yeah, this is really good. I'm going to give it a 5. 5 gorillas. That's, again, this just goes to show you can have leftovers, but they don't have to be the same boring thing. You can re-alter them, redo things, just use it as a base, build your flavors on top. You know, it doesn't have to be my recipes, obviously make your own, be creative, come up with stuff that you like, but just build it, build seasoning, a lot of seasoning, a lot of different things, don't be scared to add stuff. You'll be surprised what you come up with. So, I'm going to finish that, and if I don't see you again, or when I do see you again, namaste. Much love. Be kind. See you next time.